Ever wondered why sometimes bending a sheet of metal just doesn't go as planned? There's a secret weapon in the world of metalworking that can help you hit the bullseye every time. It's called the K factor. Cool name, right? Now, what exactly is this mysterious K factor? Well, it's like the Goldilocks zone for bending metal. It's that perfect sweet spot where your metal bends just right, without any cracks or unwanted stretches. If your K factor is too high, your metal might snap. Too low, and it could turn all wavy and wonky. Not ideal, right? But when you know your K factor, you have the superpower to make precise bends every time. It's like having a secret formula that saves you time, metal, and a whole lot of frustration. No more guessing games, just perfect bends. Imagine having a superpower for precise bends. That's what knowing your K factor does. Why should you care about the K factor, you ask? Well, let's dive right into it. You see, the K factor is not just a fancy term thrown around by metal workers. It's an essential tool in their arsenal that greatly reduces the guesswork in bending sheet metal. Understanding your K factor is like having a cheat code to the game of metal bending. It allows you to predict exactly how your metal will behave when you bend it. This means less wasted metal, less wasted time, and a lot less frustration. Gone are the days of bending metal by trial and error, only to end up with a piece that's too tight, too loose, or just plain wrong. With the K factor in your back pocket, you can bend with confidence, knowing that your metal will bend just as you want it to. No more guessing games. With the K factor, it's all about precision and efficiency. Now that you're intrigued, you must be wondering, how do I find my K factor? Fear not. It's simpler than you might think. You don't need a degree in metallurgy or advanced math skills. All you need is access to the internet and the desire to bend metal like a pro. There's a handy website that can help you calculate your K factor in a jiffy. Just head over to the website mentioned in the pinned comment. Once there, you'll find a user-friendly interface that will guide you through the process. Simply input the relevant information about your sheet metal and the bend you're trying to achieve. With just a few clicks, you'll have your K factor. And just like that, you're ready to bend metal with newfound precision. No more guesswork, no more wasted material. Just the satisfying feel of a perfect bend every time. With the right K factor, your metal bending tasks will never be the same again.